starting the corner pieces first. Do a thin layer of mud first, so make sure that the mortar is bonding perfectly to the stone. You can see I'm with the end of my margin trowel, I'm going to create some of the air pockets. Interlock the long leg with the short leg. Don't rest the stone on the bottom below. You have to break up the pattern, and then in between you're gonna have to find the exact pieces, or you're gonna have to cut it with a grinder, and then you're gonna have little pieces here and there. All you have to do is just squeeze the mud into the joints, take out the mortar a little bit, tuck it in a little, one stiff brush and one soft brush, and then gently brush